Excuse me. Hello YouTube. This is excuse me. This is not from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little Projectshare. Sorry about my voice. It's early in the morning, but I don't know why I sound this rough. But anyway, we're making some Memorydex cards for a swap for the ladies that I crop with, and I'm just going to show you the ones that I made. And so far I got probably a couple of videos. But anyway, I just used some of these enamel dots by BB Crafts. Check them out. I showed this in a haul that I got this recently, the Stampendous headshots. Those little cute little ladies with the long necks. So I used them. I just grabbed this My Mind's Eye 6x6 pad to use that. And then I used several Memorydex dies. This one and that one from AliExpress. These two are Heidi Swap. Those two are Heidi Swap. And I have another one that I didn't use. And then I used this by Photoplay sign board. And these have a lot of little quotes about scrapbooking on it. And sorry about the lighting. It is, you know how it is in the wintertime. It's just, let me see if I can fix the color of my blinds. Maybe it'd be better. Another shadow. Anyway, so these are the first couple ones that I made. Excuse me. And I used several punches. I don't have them all out because I just grabbed a whole bunch, maybe like 15 punches, and just punched out different shapes and then just stuck them onto the cards. So all of them have gold thread and a half of a doily on it. And so this is the girl, and I colored them out with my Spectrum Noir. And this one says "Scrappers Gotta Scrap," because you know we do. And it's a floral punch. This punch is by EK Success. It's a diamond punch by EK Success. Butterfly by Martha Stewart, some bling, and then that bling. So these are the swap with the ladies. We had no theme in mind. And this one says love. That's the EK Success punch. That's a this ticket is a BB. What is it? Oh my gosh, little B. I'm sorry. Ticket punch. Martha Stewart's butterfly, Martha Stewart heart punch, and it's another flower one in there, and that's a Marvy branch punch. And this one says, if all else fails, add another embellishment. That's exactly what you do. Again, she's colored with Spectrum Noir. This one says, real life is starting to interfere with my scrappy time. So as a tree punch in here by Fiskars called Family Tree, that ticket punch by Little B, and that flower punch was by Fiskars. And then the last one I've done so far, again another ticket punch by Little B. This little bow is by Martha Stewart, and that heart is by Martha Stewart, and that same flower by EK Success. So those are the first ones, excuse me, that I made for my swap. They all have a different shape. As you can see, I just wanted to, try something a little different for them. I figured the scrappy quotes would be kind of fun since we would be at a crop swapping. So that's the beginning of my Projectshare, and I'll come back as I create more of them. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.